Improvisation is very important in jazz. At some point, if there's not a strong improviser, the energy of the music dies. My first instinct was to just cancel it. But then, you wake up in the morning and you get a little bolt of inspiration. And I just started to get ideas about how we could pull things together.
We all do still need music in our lives, and being able to do this online and not letting the pandemic stop us is just absolutely amazing.
The way that the workshop is set up is everything is on a website, and we have links to live Zoom calls at certain times throughout the day. And we have pre-recorded videos that we can watch and practice along with.
First day, I thought it would be harder to learn from Zoom, and then in the pre-recorded videos. But now that I think about it, it gives me more time to look over it. I can always go back to those pre-recorded videos and I can rewind and check over stuff again.
It feels very interactive, even though we can't see anyone in person. It still feels like we're all in the same room, just chatting, having conversation, and learning just as if the camp was in person.
It may be a 5-day workshop, but honestly, you're getting a lifetime worth of stuff out of it.
When you have the opportunity to get together, in this case over Zoom, and you see all the little squares on the screen, and people are pouring out their heart about how they feel about music, and it's just beautiful. And I want them to go home feeling a sense of that beauty of what it's like to work with musicians from different places.